Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, my name's Tim. It's Tim O Show. In today's video, we're going to take a look at a $400 solar panel cleaning job that we got done in just under an hour. So we landed this one using Facebook. And if you guys want to see exactly how I run my Facebook ads to get jobs just like this, go ahead and check out the first link in the comment section and the description. And that'll take you to the solar panel cleaning course, where you guys are going to learn how to clean solar panels. You'll learn the equipment that you're going to need. You'll learn exactly how I quote and exactly how I get jobs just like these. So we're actually offering $100 off right now, so be sure to take advantage of that by checking out those top links in the description and the comment section below. So let's get into the video. And before we get too far, I got to address something on the roof that we found that we actually find pretty frequently, and it's Raccoon Dookie. Look at that. Put Raccoon Dookie in the comment section for me if you guys are still watching. But I know it's surprising. And the first time that we came across this, I really wasn't quite sure what it was. I didn't know if it was like a cat getting up there dropping big old deuces, or if it was like a small dog getting up there. But after thinking about it for a few minutes, I kind of realized that it had to be raccoons. So we actually ended up doing an upsell and removing all that for her after we showed her the pictures. But like I said in the beginning of the video, this was a $400 solar panel cleaning job that we got off of Facebook marketing. And Facebook marketing really works. And I know a lot of people don't think it works or think that it's a waste of money, but really, we were able to launch this business and clear 10K in the first 2 months, just starting from scratch, really. So I really like solar panel cleaning, and I know I've said it before. Some of you guys have heard me say it's a full-time pay for part-time work, which is like a fun take on the normal full-time work for part-time pay. Because this, like, if you wanted to just make a good living and go out there and just put in 4 to 5 hours a day, you could easily do that. You could easily make 50, 60 grand a year working 4 hours a day, no problem. Or you go out there, get it, make it, and hit it hard, get some commercial and some industrial accounts. You can be clearing 2 grand a day, no problem. But you're going to be putting in 10 hours. So really, it's up to you. But it's a flexible business model. And for me, it's great because, like, with painting, I'm able to upsell. If I'm doing a paint job and I notice they have panels, I could always upsell them to do the panels, and it's like low overhead for me. I'm already on the job, so it's like an incremental profits, but really is not costing me much more to actually do the job, and the customer acquisition cost is literally $0. So it's like I'm already on site, and the equipment is minimal. I could keep it on the truck at all times and do the job on the first day if I really needed to. So going back to this job, this customer was a very pleasant customer to deal with. We had minimal contact with her. She hired us through Facebook. We showed up. We knocked on the door. She came to the door. She asked us if we needed anything. And like always, we say, hey, all we need is access to a water spigot, and then we'll be on our way. And that was it, pretty much. She didn't even come outside once the job was done. She just sent a digital payment through Cash App. And these are my favorite kind of customers, I sent her before and after pictures, and she was totally happy. And it ended up turning out that her daughter needed her solar panels cleaned too. So we ended up getting a whole nother job off of this. So if you're interested in starting a business and you think that this is something you could do, which I think anybody could do it really. Now, there's some 2-story houses that are a little sketchy, but for the most part, we're dealing with these little 1-story houses. And anywhere from $200 to $400 is like your average ticket. And every job, I don't think I've ever been on a job that takes longer than an hour. Of course, those solar fields are an exception, but any residential job like this is going to take you less than an hour. So $200 to $400 for an hour worth of work's not bad. Now, granted, that's not all profit. Of course, there are some costs, some overhead costs when running any type of business. But if you already have a business, let's say you have a landscaping business or something, this is a great way to upsell. And it's also a great way to get your foot in the door. So, like, you could get a job cleaning solar panels for $200, and then while you're there, you could upsell them in reverse to your other services that you offer. For me, in my case, it's painting. So I can get on site, get on the property for a $200, $400 ticket, and I build rapport with the customer there, and they like the fact that I have a good relationship with me. They like the way that we operate. I let them know the other services that I offer, and then, a lot of times I can get a paint job out of it. So it works both ways. If you just want to run this solo, you totally can. If it's like a part-time gig, say you're going to school, you need some extra dough, it works too. So if you guys got any questions, please ask them in the comments. I'll do my best to get back to you. And if you want to know how I get jobs just like this using Facebook marketing strategy, make sure to check out that top link in the description and the comment section below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.